Okay, this video is specifically for the restoration houses and parts collectors warehouses that I've talked to in the last 24 hours. After putting a few things on eBay for the Corvette collection, one email led to a phone call, and that phone call pointed to another person and pointed to another person. And while I appreciate talking to you all, the truth of the matter is I'm here more to sell this collection of Corvette parts. Mr. Ronnie has spent a great deal of time collecting these parts, and these parts are not junk. This is not a junk pile. Mr. Ronnie has saved the cleanest of the parts, stocked them on the shelves for future restorations, and now he's closing his shop. So the video you're going to see after this is us walking through the shop and looking at different parts. Now, I'm not a Corvette guy, obviously, if you've seen my other videos. I'm learning a great deal about Corvettes, which is very cool. And I got carried away with doing the videos of the cars, but here we are. Here's the collection of parts that you want to look at. And if you want to come down and make an appointment with Ronnie, we'll be glad to sit down. You can sit down with Ronnie, not me. These are Ronnie's parts, not mine. I'm not gatekeeping these parts. But you were asking for video, so here it is. For anybody who has stumbled across the video and is interested, there's a link tree at the top of my page, and it will show you the information you need to get in touch with me or Ronnie and discuss buying parts from him. So thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you watching the video. And again, my goal is to sell this entire collection of Corvette parts. Give me a call when you're ready. Now I had to have a Corvette guy himself come here and work with me through this. Of course, Ronnie knows every part here. And there are some super rare Corvette parts. This right here is a 1969-70 tilt telescopic steering column. And you can see the way he's got them wrapped up. Starting to list stuff on eBay myself. But we're going to find several. We have been introduced to Bring a Trailer Mike. And you can see here the aluminum valve covers. You know, everything in this, all the nuts and bolts from the 50s and 70s, and all this is going to be pulled out and sold. And you see shifters, wiper arms. I mean, the amount of chrome headliners in the box, brand new. Carburetors, numbers match carburetors in extremely clean condition. And you're not going to find a frozen carburetor here. Every carburetor works very well, or it wouldn't be on these shelves. Okay, we've got original air cleaners, seat tracks. Looks like a 6-way seat track right there. I mean, the list goes on, guys. Those boxes, decals, gaskets, tail lamps, seats, stripes, door panels, door parts, door mirrors and wipers or windows parts, speedometers and parts, skirt, hood hinges, supports. Hell of a collection of original 4-speed shifters and automatic shifters. T-tops, rooftops. You can see up there in the rafters. This entire collection all the way down. You can go all the way down. You can see all that up in the rafters. Now as you wrap your way around here, a lot of this stuff I've been doing my homework the last 3 weeks. A lot of people out there that want original manifolds, numbers match manifolds and stuff, and there's a lot of that here. You know, bell housings, bell cranks, original fuel pumps. You see all that. Now come on in here. All 4 of these noses that are stacked up there have been completely restored. They are ready to, they have been sprayed. You can see the tan high build primer, and they're ready to be bolted on cars. The motor collection, and there it is. There's the other car he's got. This is what they call a Greenwood Corvette. And the frame has been sandblasted and painted. The motor is brand new. The transmission's been gone through. All brand new brake lines on it. He doesn't have time to finish it, but you can see these badass flares on this car. This car is also for sale. I hope to hear this car run so we can prove to anybody who wants to buy it that it does run and it does shift and go into gear. You can see his extensive collection of tail panels. And he's got a rotisserie here for Corvettes. Boy, I remember the days of the rotisserie. His collection of door panels, hoods, exhaust. He has a lot of original exhaust. These are all good motors. Some are 4-bolt main, some are 2-bolt main. The collection's just a hell of a collection here. So now the tools, the parts, the cars, we're going to empty this building. So he would love to find one person to come by it all, but putting a number on all this today is not an easy task. So we're going to start out with eBay, and we're going to start out with social media video. Mr. Ronnie's a friend of my father's from childhood. They actually went to high school together, and I want to make sure this man gets the right money for these parts. And because too many times we've seen men no longer with us, and their parts and their stuff is given away. Well, I collected Mopar parts. Ronnie collected Corvette parts. Now his parts are meticulous, where I just stripped cars. Every part he's got here is meticulous. You can walk this way and see the noses, the front end pieces, the dash pieces, all of this. All this right here. The blast cabinets, these motors here, the hoods, the trunk lids. This is the early Corvette trunk lid, fiberglass, and inside of this cabinet, this is mostly early Corvette stuff. From the 50s, the early Corvette. Yeah, I don't know Corvettes that well. So I'm learning, and you guys are gonna learn with me. So much more to come. We'll be back.